Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope that you all are safe in your home, and as I have said in the previous video that in this video we are going to make masks to fight with COVID-19. So okay, today we are going to make it using that cloth bag, and there are some other hacks also for you. So watch till the end and let's DIY this. So let's have a look on some other masks, like this is the simple surgical mask that you can use it once and then you have to throw it. And this is another kind of mask that you can wash and then you can reuse this thing, and it's actually good one. So next thing you can use is your handkerchief, and you can wear it like this, but you don't like this beard, right? So to help with this problem, just one thing you need to do, just fold your handkerchief like this and you can wear it now, and this is looking like a mask, and this is also safe because of 4 layers. So there is another Indian life hack for you about the mask, and as you can see, fold the handkerchief like this and take 2 rubber bands and then make another fold to find the middle part of this, and then add the 2 rubber bands in both of the folds like this, and your mask will be ready. And that's how it's looking like, a mask. So now it's time to make our project, the actual project, the mask with the bag without stitching. So let's do it now. First of all, we need a cloth bag, and then I have the marking what size we need, then I cut that part. Now I made the marking in the small parts where we need to make the folds, and after that with the iron, with the hot iron, I had just touched it so that it will melt and make a fold. Similarly like this we have to make 3 folds in both of the sides. So let's do it now. So it's done. Now to make the folding better, I'm going to add this iron all over the mask using the paper, otherwise it will melt the mask. So be careful while doing this thing, otherwise you can burn this mask. Another piece from the bag and cut it for 4 pieces so that we can make the strings to hold the mask on our face, and we can fix it here like this. So the mask is now ready, and it's time to know that how it feels, and I'm wearing it on my face, and as you can see this is not that bad, and this is also not very uncomfortable. It's good actually. So that is all about our today's video, and if you liked it then don't forget to click on the like button, share it with your friends, and let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so that whenever I will upload a new video, you can get instant notifications. So see you guys in the next one. Till then, be cool, work smart, and be safe from Corona. Stay at home and just break the chain of COVID-19.